Thinking about selling your home this winter? Selling during the colder months can be a great opportunity to stand out. Hi, I'm Charlotte Trone, the house angel at RealtyOne of New Mexico. Believe it or not, selling in the winter can be done with the right strategy and tips. Here are my top tips to make your home warm, inviting, and market ready this winter season. First, let's start with curb appeal. Winter can make landscaping challenging, but there are still ways to boost curb appeal. Make sure walkways and driveways are clear of snow, ice, debris, leaves, and especially if you're in the colder climates, maybe you might want to add a wreath to the door or outdoor winter plant that can make a first great impression. Next, let's talk about lighting. Shorter days mean less natural light, so brighten things up inside. Consider adding extra lamps, upgrade lighting bulbs to a warm, higher wattage, and opening blinds and curtains fully. Bright lighting creates a cozy, welcoming feel and makes the room appear larger, which is exactly what buyers are looking for. When you need to warm up the space by making your home feel cozy and inviting, set the thermostat to a comfortable temperature. Light the fireplace if you have one, and considering adding touches like plush throws or area rugs. Buyers are more likely to connect with a home that feels warm and comfortable, especially in colder months. You also want to showcase any winter maintenance that you have done to your property. Buyers will appreciate seeing that a home has been well cared for in the winter. Highlight features like double pane windows, proper insulation, or recently serviced heating system. These details reassure buyers that the home is winter ready and energy efficient. Don't go overboard on scented candles or holiday decor. A light seasonal scent like cinnamon can add ambiance, but avoid strong candles or overpowering sprays. Some buyers may be sensitive to those scents. Same with the decor. Keep it simple, less is more. Finally, you may want to emphasize cozy spaces if you have a reading nook, a breakfast area, or a cozy corner by the fireplace. Highlight these spaces. Buyers in the winter months are drawn to warmth and comfort, so showing off spaces where they can imagine themselves cozying up is a great way to make your home more appealing. A few seasonal touches can go a long way in making your home shine during the winter months. If you're thinking about selling this winter, let's talk. I can provide a personalized recommendations to help you sell your home and stand out for top dollar. Again, I'm Charlotte Trone, the house angel at RealtyOne of New Mexico, and have a great winter.